4 reasons to invest in real estate abroad. A practical investment option with minimal entry barriers and the ability to provide a steady monthly income. We are discussing investing in real estate. Watch this video if you're seeking all the correct reasons to invest in real estate internationally but have yet to do so. Be sure to stick around for number 4. We saved the best for last. 1. Passive income. Investing in real estate may provide you with a source of passive income, which can assist you in meeting your monetary goals. By investing in real estate abroad, you can create wonderful investment legacies for your family. 2. Tax benefits. Taxes are the most significant expenditure for everybody on our planet. Real estate investing may save you from paying many taxes. Benefits like tax cuts and deductions are made possible by it. The Internal Revenue Service may let you write off your real estate business costs if you demonstrate meaningful involvement. Depreciation, mortgage interest, and operating costs are a few expenditures that you can write off. Please check with your tax accountant to confirm what you can and can't do. 3. Diversification of portfolio. Investing is a concept that many people find frightening, and the person who never gives the stock market any serious thought. The adage, "Don't put your eggs in one basket," must be familiar. In the realm of investments, it is accurate. Make real estate and stock market investments with your money. The investor with the highest level of diversity has a better chance of success over the long term. Furthermore, investing in real estate is a fantastic choice. Investing abroad also allows you to immerse yourself in different cultures and create lasting memories. It's like making money while exploring the world. 4. High returns. Who wouldn't want to see large profits? That is something that the real estate investment may provide you. The secret in this situation is extensive market research and choosing homes with strong appreciation potential, while understanding if long-term or short-term rental is better for you. Keep your expectations in check. Convert the properties into rental flats to generate additional revenue. It sometimes needs work to maintain and repair the property's structural issues. This investment will undoubtedly provide a return for you if you are prepared to do the necessary work. It's a good idea to consider working with a local property manager. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make this happen? Isn't it complicated? It's true that investing abroad requires careful research and planning, but luckily there are professionals who can guide you through the process. Expert real estate agents, international lawyers, and consultants can ensure a smooth journey, helping you navigate local laws, regulations, and even potential language barriers. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.